Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I went to my farm to check it out and I found out that the watermelon I planted, this watermelon is not up to 2 months, so it's already bearing fruit. And I just collected it from kitchen scraps. The earth watermelon, I collected the seed and plant to see if it will bring out watermelon. But guess what? It's doing perfectly fine. Can you see? Hey, God. Can you see? Guy, let me give you a better view of the fruits. It's already producing. See another small one by the side. See another small one. Hey God, I have 3 fruits upcoming. Upcoming farm. Guys, so I just tried it and it means that watermelon seeds from kitchen scraps, that's the watermelon that you just get, the fruit, the seeds inside can actually grow to a fruit. So now I'll go ahead and plant more watermelon. I'll go ahead and plant more and more and more watermelon. Let's go, guys. So this is the remaining seeds that I collected for the watermelon. I allowed it to dry and I kept it safe. So now that I found out that it's working, let's go and plant more watermelon. So this is the farm. I planted cassava here yesterday by the wall, by the fence. I don't want it to take space because cassava takes 2 years to mature. So now I'll be planting watermelon close to the wall. That's the side close to the wall, so that the watermelon will just do on the floor close to the wall. Then it's not obstruct whatever I'm doing inside the farm. That's what I will do, just by the wall side, so that it will not disturb whatever I'm doing inside my farm. I will not have to be disturbing the watermelon every time. That's where I will plant it right away. Let's go. Ooh, just open and put. There is no formula. Just place it flat. It will grow. I just placed that one and it's growing fine. No extra care, no special thing, and it's growing, guys. So let's go, let's go. I'm just giving enough space between them because they grow like vine, so that they will have space to grow. Then maybe next month I will come back and show you the progress we are making from this thing, because I know it's going to grow. I just tested it with one and that one is already bearing fruit. Not up to 2 months, guys, not up to 2 months. It's already bearing fruit. So I'll still come back and give you testimony of this one I'm planting. In fact, I've turned to a farmer this time around, so you are going to get more of my farming, of things I'm planting moving forward. Let's go, guys. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed. Anticipate more. I have much to give out. So anticipate more. Subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Let's go. I'm that Nigerian girl. That your favorite Nigerian girl. Let's go, guys. Bye-bye. Love you.